Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these fabulous crochet top patterns are sure to inspire you. So let's dive in. First up, we have the Maria top by Originally Lovely. This top is made with Kobu yarn, which is a blend of cotton and bamboo. It's soft, breathable, and perfect for those warm days. The Maria top features a lovely, relaxed fit that's both comfortable and stylish. Plus, the yarn gives it a beautiful drape. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love how versatile it is. You can pair it with jeans, skirts, or even shorts. Definitely a must-have in your wardrobe. Next on our list is the Saratoga Poncho by Make and Do Crew. This one uses LB Collection cotton bamboo yarn, which is lightweight and has a slight sheen to it. The Saratoga Poncho top is perfect for layering over a tank top or a swimsuit. It's airy and has a beautiful flow that makes it great for those breezy summer evenings. I absolutely adore the texture and the way it drapes. It's one of those pieces that adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Moving on, we have the Relaxed Ruffle Tea by Stephanie Aaron. This pattern also uses Kobu yarn, which, as I mentioned before, is a fantastic choice for summer projects. The Relaxed Ruffle Tee features a cute ruffle detail on the sleeve, giving it a playful yet chic look. It's perfect for both casual and dressy occasions. The ruffles are such a fun touch, don't you think? It adds just the right amount of flair without being too over the top. Another fabulous design by Stephanie Aaron is the stylish cap cut tee. This top is perfect for those warm summer days with its light and airy design. The cap cut tee uses Trubu yarn, which is a bamboo yarn that gives a lovely drape and a silky finish to your projects. It's super soft against the skin and perfect to wear in summer. Trubu yarn is fantastic for this pattern because of its breathability and beautiful sheen. It's also available in a wide range of colors, so you can really make it your own. Now let's talk about the Victory Tee by Talia's Crochet Creations. This tee is made with LB Collection cotton bamboo yarn, which gives it a soft and smooth finish. The Victory Tee has a simple yet elegant design, making it a great staple piece. It's comfortable, breathable, and perfect for everyday wear. I love how effortlessly chic this tee is. It's one of those pieces you can throw on and instantly look put together. Last but not least, we have the Lucky Shirt by One of a Kate. Made with 24/7 cotton yarn, this shirt is durable and perfect for warm weather. The Lucky Shirt features a classic design with a modern twist. It's versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. The shirt is such a staple. I love how you can customize it with different colors and it'll still look amazing. So there you have it, 6 stunning crochet top patterns that are perfect for this season. I hope you found some inspiration and are excited to start your next project. All the patterns are linked in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And let me know in the comments below which pattern you're most excited to try.